Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we have this old, I believe it's a 68 Volkswagen rail buggy here. It came with basically the whole electrical system was not working, the engine was not running and nothing, and we're going to rewire the whole car, starting from the battery, building like a base with some fuses, build a fuse box, control panel, and hooking up all the lights. The extra high beams, we put them on the high beams for normal ones, install a blinker system, and all that good stuff. Alright, let's get to it. Here, well, I couldn't find anything else to make the battery work for right now, because it's a little bit too small. So I put a piece of wood here to clamp it really nice and tight. We got ground right in front of the battery. Then we have positive coming down here. Two basically breakers with 200 amps right there, right behind the battery. Then we're going with that one wire is going to the starter, so I just reused that cable that was already there. And then we have a new cable going to inside that thing here, and that's where we built the whole electric system. Alright, so I installed a new fuse box here and wired up the ignition and the starter for the engine. So the engine is running now, fine like that. So that is hardwired. And then this is the control panel. I don't know really the function of all of that stuff, but what we're gonna do is hooking up the lights, the horn, and putting blinkers on it. And here in the middle goes the starter switch. Basically, so yes, like this one is a question mark. But yeah, so I'm gonna build something for here with connectors, so everything here is gonna have connectors. And that's basically how we do that. Okay, it looks still a little bit messy, but that is basically how we ended up. So we got a fuse box here, ground going straight to the ground, the positive is coming here, that we have from the 200 amp fuse in the front. Here we have all the different circuits, and everything is kind of color coded. Like, well, that is a sensor. This one is straight wired, the starter, because it only has one nut here in the front. Yellow ones are for the blinkers, and then white is for the high beams, and this is for the normal lights, and the black one is for the honk. I also installed here on the side a little cigarette lighter box, so they can charge whatever they got. And this is how the control panel is now. Pretty simple, but yeah, basically switch for low beams, switch for high beams, the honk button. Then this is the power for the blinkers. Here we got the whole blinker switch wired up with a connector for the left and the right side, with each two going off. So basically one is going to the front, one is going to the back, same over here. Blinker relay with adjusting speed. And then here we got wired in, that was a mess, because I thought it had a white and a black cable coming out of this one. It's a LED, and actually the white cable is ground and the black one is positive. The other way around, nothing worked. But yeah, now they're working. Then are basically the indicators for the blinker, left and right. Because the blinker button is just a toggle switch basically. But we're gonna see all that in action in a minute. Alright, let's take a look at the finished wiring. Battery straight to ground. Two breaker fuses here. All nice and wired control panel. And then here, 12-volt outlet, cigarette lighter outlet. Then under here we got a fuse box, accessible like this. Alright, and then here, alright, here in the back, the wiring is cleaned up. We put a new cable for the alternator in. All the wires are hooked up, and I installed this back on there because it was straight wired before. We have a controller now for the trailer hitch, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And now it is running, starting up, and everything. Alright, so all the lights are working. Oh, and that is for the underbody. Down there are lights. See these dots on the floor? Yeah. Alright, well, that's it for the video for today. That buggy is nice and ready to go back on the road, in the dunes, or whatever, wherever it's gonna go. Beautiful buggy. 4 seats, a lot of fun. Alright, see you next time.